How to change alliance leader in Last War survival game. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or manage members to be an alliance leader on Last War Z survival game. Now this is very simple. But the very first thing that you want to have to do is to make sure that you're currently using the latest version of the app by going into the Google Play Store or where you download the application and make sure that it is updated to the full version. Now, once you log into the game, you should be able to see Alliance option at the lower right. Just simply tap on that. Now, before doing it, make sure as well to expedite this kind of process. Make sure that you own the guild or the alliance or even the group so that you can easily manage leaders or members. Once you're here, just go into the members option, and then from here, you will have all access to the players or the members that you recruited or joined the guild. Now above, as you can see, Warlord, Recruiter, Muse, and Butler. But the easiest way on doing this is to tap on Manage the right side of the IGN or the endgame name of that member, and then you can choose on Promote to be a leader. And that's it. That is how you change Alliance Leader in Last War Z survival game.